what are different types of liabilities in regards to swimming pools?
That's an interesting one. Swimming pools. Well,
I guess if someone got hurt in your pool,
yeah.
that was
Well,
at your.
sure. Well, under the law, a swimming pool would be categorized as something called an attractive nuisance, meaning that it would attract people, but it's also something that would be dangerous. And so, of course, local government agencies, usually the building departments, require certain codes that you adhere to, that, if you have a pool, that you have to have a fence, you have to make sure that that fence closes and locks, because if a wandering child in the neighborhood sees a gate open and goes in, you as the homeowner would be responsible, God forbid anything happened to that child in your pool. But, there's also issues surrounding what the homeowner does to prevent people from entering their property. Like, for instance, putting no trespassing signs up. If you put a no trespassing sign up and you've got a gate and the gate locks and you have children who climb the fence despite those warnings, I would say that that would be a very difficult claim to succeed against the homeowner. But I think that that's what, as a homeowner, you have to do, is make sure you take all the precautions to prevent people from entering your property and, getting into the pool and perhaps drowning. There's also the issue, I think we've heard some issues, Lauren and I've seen some cases over the years where people have a party and there's a lot of drinking going on, and somebody decides to do something stupid like dive headfirst into the pool because they're drunk. And then they try to sue the homeowner. And again, I think that is a situation where it becomes very difficult to prevail against the homeowner, because the person who jumped into the pool and ended up breaking their neck, or God forbid worse, pretty much took that action on their own. I don't think it's anything that really could have been prevented by the homeowner. But there's all sorts of, every case would be different, Steve. So we'd have to look at a case by case on that.